everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Imbewu the seat from the 13th to the 17th of June 2022 on Monday. The detective informed the family that there is no lead as yet regarding baby Nokuzola, but Nokuzola decided to go home with Dombekaya after trying her utmost to appeal to Zitulele. The commune gang makes a 300,000 discovery in the ceiling and decides to split the proceeds in 6 ways, much to Sibongile's reluctance on Tuesday. Then the master arrived for an urgent meeting or family meeting, wrecked by guilty after lying to Niruba. Shria calls things off with Kemen. Nomsa and Tushene agreed to become business partners, while Lindo set her eyes on the rest of gang's money on Wednesday. Nokuzola prepares to commit suicide. Shria apologizes to her mother. Maharaj tries to prevent Kelemen from seeing Shria, but Kelemen blackmails him into paying him off. Dlaganipo has escaped and is told his money is in the ceiling at the commune on Thursday. Poppy is horrified to learn that Lindo was stealing, but when she goes to confront Tushene, she met with resistance. While Tushene feels helpless because there is no proof, Mandlovu is determined to find out who is out to get her family, and Kelemen makes a bold move in a bid to get Shria back on Friday. Niruba emphasizes that a secret affair is rather unusual and questions whether Shria will be happy. Dlaganipo wants to rent a room at the commune, but Tushene tells him there aren't any available. Dlaganipo gets access to commune under the guise of being a municipal worker. Punyuga has Mzalile locked up in his garage. Pagate and Punyuga consult the area chief. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.